Good to see you. So I've got this super cool project. I saw the Porsche just released a video. I saw it and I was like, okay, I think we can do something like this, use it as a template for a video that we do. Well, Micah, if you could bring up YouTube for us and go to the Porsche channel.
This one?
Yeah, there we go.
So basically the dichotomy is just jumping back and forth from past to present. So we just,
I think if we find, I want to celebrate the history of Nagios. It's been 25 years. I want to try to capture that and as a new pivot point for what we're going to be doing moving forward, just recording the history of the company in detail. Because
so we have a bunch of stuff
it's
in
good.
storage.
Yeah, I think a lot of it's probably like in Zen Lab.
If we could find the original net same, like a 3.5-inch floppy, that'd be really cool to show some of the past of Nagios.
I saw that in, that's like that blue disc.
Okay, now let's switch to some footage of Micah like scanning this stuff so that you're probably in a good location because he's doing this and maybe you got a shot. Version of him actually like doing different things like in Premiere moving elements around or in After Effects editing that, you know, the multi-content template where things are moving around or split screen type of setup.
Took all the footage that we got, kind of pushed it together, and we made a best effort on draft one. If you want to check
let's
it out.
see it. Yeah. Have you guys seen it all? You guys have already seen it?
A little bit. So I'm working on it.
And I basically just went and I found a bunch of stuff like special effects we could overlay on it, and I mushed it together and did the bounce back. We might need to get a few more pickup shots in order to like really make it flow.
Yeah, this version one. Cool. All right, let's go. That's super cool, guys. That's super cool. Test. Test.